evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2684th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, thank you for tuning in. What a fantastic year this has been. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of craziness, but the Omni has pulled through month after month, and thank you for tuning in this whole year and watching these videos. A lot of you have been tuning in since 2006 when YouTube started, and so did I, and I thank all of you for staying with me all this time. Putting up with my madness, I don't know how you do it. Let's move forward. For trading, and markets are still open and they're still kind of busy, for trading on Friday, 12/22/2023, we have a full day trading schedule, right? So market's going to be open all day. Let's see what's going to happen. Before we get involved in any of what's going to happen, let's remind each other about the risk involved in trading. It's a very risky game. You can absolutely lose more than you have in your bank account if you get this wrong. Please be careful. Put protective stops in first before you ever trade. If you don't know how to do that, come see me at livewithoscar.com. Come to my free live trading room. I'll be more than happy to educate you on stop placement. So, the holiday reversal seems to be short-lived. We had one smackdown, smashdown day, came right back up. What happened during that holiday reversal? The night before, you know what I gave you? I put on my board, do not fall in love with the downside. And you know what happened? It went down just a little. You could not fall in love with it. Right back up. Brings us to number 2. The OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell are back in the saddle, and Omni wants to get long again. So let's look at the board. Tonight, I'm going to go over some charts. It will be a continuation of my weekend webinar, which was filmed on Saturday last week. And in that webinar, I gave you specific things I wanted you to use, certain averages, certain formations that will help you out this week with the market movement. Well, I did that on Saturday. I told you it's stuff that you can use this week. Well, now we're at Friday. Let's see if any of this worked. We'll go over it. So number 1, let's go over some charts, repetitive patterns, weekend webinar. Let's see if that information I gave you last week could have helped you this week. Again, number 2, E-mini S&P is back in the saddle. Love that. Number 3, gold's getting shiny again. Gold, all that glitters is gold. You know, when gold starts to move, people come out of the woodwork, right? I think gold looks bullish for trading on Friday. The charts do anyway. I read the charts. The charts think gold is bullish on Friday, so I thought I'd be the messenger boy there. Bitcoin. I'm going to show you a chart there, and boy, oh boy, is that getting ready to go. And then, remember, do not fall in love with the downside. Market might drop somewhat in the middle of the day, during the day, early in the day. Don't get scared. This is bonus round week coming up next week, where Wall Street is going to buy all the stocks that are doing well in their funds and kick out the ones that aren't, and that increases market value and increases their bonuses. That's coming next week. This stuff is all going to help you. I will show it to you in just a moment. So traders, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever the heck it is you celebrate out there. Make sure you enjoy yourselves. This is the time of year for gift giving, for love, for friendship. Forget about politics, forget about the craziness. Let's all just have a great time in these next 2 weeks. Let's get through these holidays and we'll see what's going to happen. But I wish all of you a happy, healthy holiday season. So, now we're going to go look at some fantastic charts. I think you're going to love what you're about to see. They should help you for tomorrow and next week. And then I guess I'll get out of here and go enjoy my day until we start trading tomorrow morning. Make it filled tonight. You never know. Hopefully we'll get a little sleep tonight and be filled tomorrow. So, traders, I tell you this in every video. One of the things I want you to do is keep your emotions out of trading. Never make emotional decisions, I promise you. It's always the worst thing that you can do. One of the best ways you can avoid that is to say this mantra to yourselves over and over. I've got people all over the world saying this. I can't tell you how many people have written to me and says it helps them daily. Their children sing it out. So sing it out with me. And then after that, we'll go look at some charts. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, emotions are traders, we're going to go look at some charts, and guess what? It's the 22nd. I haven't even begun Christmas shopping yet. I got to get out of here. Let's go look at some charts. Traders, last Saturday, I said, here's a repetitive pattern we can put to use this week. And what is it? Well, if you look at this chart, the Russell 2000, you get a quick rally, a consolidation period, to a quick rally. 3 steps. Quick rally, consolidation, quick rally. All right, it happens. Then let's call this step 1 again. Quick rally, consolidation, quick rally. Amazing. Quick rally, consolidation, quick rally. So I drew this and I said, what comes next? You can use this. It will consolidate and we will rally out. Well, this is what's happened this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday thus far. And it filled in exactly the way it was supposed to. Is that not voodoo? That's ridiculous, right? It's almost scary. It repeated exactly as it should. And you know what's going to happen Friday? It's probably going to go goodbye and start number 1, the quick rally. Into next week, the bonus round rally, the Santa Claus rally. So that worked. I'm glad I was able to give it to you. So far, it filled in like it was scripted. Not bad, huh? Next chart, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Look what this one did. This has been a phenomenal trendline channel. Phenomenal. Look what it did right here. Hit it on the down day, the reversal day. Caught it, rallied out, and it's sitting here right now. Nice hold. More evidence that we're going up next week for the Santa rally. Look at gold, baby. All that shines is gold tonight. Beautiful holds of the 50-bar moving average, which sets up a flagpole. Now you got a pennant flag, and what comes next are those 3 arrows, because that's what happens when a setup like this takes place. So expect gold to move higher for trading on Friday. What would cause something like that? Well, the dollar looks exactly like the Russell 2000 in reverse. Quick drop, consolidation, quick drop, consolidation, quick drop, which turns into the whole thing, actually turns into one flagpole, consolidation, quick drop, consolidation, and look where we are now. So it's acting just like the Russell 2000 in reverse, and if the dollar keeps doing this, it'll make the gold keep doing that. So we've got fundamental and technical reasoning to think the gold goes up on Friday. And Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Now how about this? In Saturday's webinar, I offered a tip. I said it's a very short, shallow average, but it is the 18-bar moving average. And what I want you to do with that is use it to time Bitcoin. When it gets back down to it, I want you to buy it. I said these words in last week's webinar. Use it to time Bitcoin because here it worked, here it worked, here it works in conjunction with now the trend channel. And it's riding along the trend channel. So when it hits here again, it's going to be average and trend channel. So this is where we were on Saturday. And this is what has transpired this week. How about that, kids? Now look at this. It did just what we expected. It came down. It hit that average right there at the trend line. And we've been going up since, and Bitcoin's already up this evening on Thursday evening. So rock and roll technical analysis, it doesn't work better than that, and there's no better place to learn it than livewithoscar.com. Come see me. The site is free of charge, no credit cards. Join me in my free live trading room, and we can go over more charts just like this. Thank you for tuning in. Happy holidays to you. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.